All right, you can go now. Watch out, don't hit the trees. Stop, don't hit me. All right, go ahead. Keep going.
Are you making a video?
Yep. Stay on the road, Connor. Don't hit the, stop. You're getting too close to that car. Go over on the other side. Back up, hit reverse. Turn your wheel the other way, turn your wheel the other way. Good, back up. Now turn it and go around those trash cans. Around those trash cans. Go where Bubby Devlin goes. Follow Bubby Devlin. Go slow. And go straight off. Don't go at an angle, go straight. Turn sharp. Turn. Keep going. Good.